planet is facing an unprecedented challenge in the form of climate change. It is a global crisis that requires immediate and collective action.
As responsible inhabitants of Earth, we must advocate the protection and preservation of our environment. This advocacy aims to raise awareness, promote sustainable practices, and encourage policy changes to combat climate change and secure a better future for generations to come.
Our planet is suffering and the consequences of our action are clear. But there is hope. Each one of us has the power to make a difference.
In the world where progress often comes at the expense of our planet, it's time to take action. Climate change is no longer a distant threat, but a stark reality we face today. The impacts of climate change are already being felt around the world. From extreme weather events to rising sea levels, the signs are undeniable.
Sa panahon ngayon, marami na mga taong pumuputol ng mga kahoy.
Ano ang mangyari kapag pinutol ang kahoy at anong aksyon ang gagawin para maaksyonan at maiwasan ito? To answer that question, let us the DNR personnel.
Pag pinaputol ang puno, may mangyayari talaga sa bukid. So, kailangan natin i-replant talaga ang mga puno na wala ng mga kahoy. At least makatulong man yan sa environment natin at sa mga tao. So kailangan kayo na mga estudyante, kailangan nyo talaga mag-support din sa environment natin na mag-invite ng mag-replant sa mga bundok. At least, di maano ang bundok natin, nakalbo. Yun lang.
Friends, we cannot afford to wait any longer. Climate change is an urgent crisis that requires immediate action.
We must advocate for the policies that prioritize renewable energy, sustainable practices, and conservation efforts.
Ang mabuting balita ay mayroon tayong kapangyarihang gumawa ng pagbabago.
Sa pamamagitan ng pagtanim ng mga punong kahoy,
Sa pagtatapon ng mga basura sa tamang basurahan, kahit sa simpleng gawain ay malaking tulong na ito sa ating klima.
Come and join us as we work together to protect our planet from climate change.
let's unite the fight against climate change and preserve the beauty and diversity of our Earth for generations to come. Let's work together to protect our planet from climate change. Friends, we cannot afford to wait any longer.
Ano ang mangyari kapag pinutol ang tao?
Our planet is suffering.
Di palayo, di kay init kay dagdag. Igo.
The impacts of climate
Panahon ngayon, marami
Ulit.
mga
Kahit sa simpleng gawain ay malaking tulong na ito sa ating klima.
ito ganito.
Ngayon mo dira!
Mama, mali ka pa ron. Dapat
One, two. One, two. Ay, good. One, two.